Well, folks, we are in for a treat today. Today I'm sitting with my friend Bob. Say hi, Bob.
Hi. I'm Bob.
And today we are riding in a beautiful car. What are we riding in, Bob?
It is a Model A Ford.
A Model A Ford, 1930.
1930.
Tell us about your car. How long have you had it, Bob?
About 18 years.
18 years. Wow. What have you done to it?
Not much, but I've been using it. And it's a great car.
It is a great car. Runs, wow, 1930. This thing runs better than my Corvette because it blew up the other day, but that's besides the point. It's got, I know you should. You told me it has an all original interior. So the interior is from 1930. You guys can see this. This is really cool. It's even got little curtains on the back windows.
Yep.
And everything. Let me show you the dash. Thing is really, really cool. 1930. It doesn't have the original. How many cc's does this thing have? Or what kind of engine?
That's a good question. I don't know.
We don't know. It's 1930 Ford. And wow, yeah. Bob said he's going to let me drive. I don't know what he's thinking, but whatever. So this will be the first time I've ever driven a 1930 Ford. I've driven everything from a Bugatti to a tricycle, but I've never driven a Ford Model A. So this should be a treat for you. This has got to be the coolest thing I have ever done. I mean, I've driven a Lamborghini, I've driven a Bugatti, but a 1930 Ford, one of the first mass-produced cars in the world. Oh, this is totally cool. And I haven't broken it yet. So Bob let me drive his Model A Ford, and it is an art form. We are so spoiled nowadays. We got a top speed of 45 on this thing. I think I hit 25. I might have hit 30. I don't know. But it's like the way you drive these versus the way you drive cars now. It's a 3-speed on the floor, which is not bad. I'm used to that. But even then, you have a certain way to finesse it. And I'll show you what the gas pedal looks like. That's your gas pedal. Clutch and breaker here. You got a gas pedal there. You got your speedometer there. And yes, this does only have 95,000 original miles for a 1930. Yeah, that's an awesome car. And then, yeah. But we're going to do a walk around real quick, and I'm going to show you what this thing looks like on the outside, because this is just a magnificent example of a 1930 Ford.
They're fun.
So this is the 1930 Ford, and Bob says they're fun. They are so much fun. The only problem is I'm 6'1", and I'm not going to tell you, I'm fat. But yeah, getting in and out of that door, I've tried to stand up. I'm way up here. So yeah, this is an absolutely gorgeous car. It is a beautiful blue. Got that cream yellowish pinstripe with the yellow wheels to match. This is just beautiful. Can we pop the hood?
Sure.
Or are we allowed to do that? It doesn't matter to me. My viewers would like to see either side, I'm sure. Right. This is gorgeous. And like I said earlier, this is all original interior. This is from 1930. And we got latches down here, and then, oh, look at that.
Here we go.
That is real craftsmanship right there. This is back with the day when it was simple. You can still work on these easily. Nowadays, they're so complicated, you have to have a computer just to inflate your tire. Just a simple little thing. Couple of horsepower, top speed of maybe 45. I think he said we had it. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is seriously beautiful. Well, Bob, I want to thank you for letting us see your 1930 Ford, and I can't believe you let me drive it. I'm still blown away. Check out this windshield, guys. You can open it up for venting. Yes. Anyways, but go ahead.
Air conditioning.
That's the air conditioning. There you go. It's what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 555 AC, 5 middle, or 545, because that's your top speed. 5 windows at 45. Yeah. Go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Bob will appreciate it. So will I. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed. Leave a comment. Share with all your friends. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can see when I bring out new videos. Thanks for watching.